welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most delicious, quick and easy shrimp fried rice. I already went ahead and prepped all my ingredients. I did season the shrimp and I'll be using some mixed vegetables, some eggs. I have about a day old pre-cooked white rice. It's best to use the rice that has been cooked from, the day before. I have some green onions, yellow onions, garlic, ginger. I have some sweet soy sauce, light soy sauce, some oyster sauce, Chinese 5-spice fried rice seasoning, and black pepper. So to season the shrimp, I did wash it up first in some lemon juice, and I used some garlic and onion powder, fried rice seasoning, seasoned salt, and some white pepper. You can use black pepper if you like. What I did was added some sesame oil to the shrimp, and then I added the seasoning, mixed really well, and I left it to marinate for about 30 minutes. To a preheated wok, I did add some oil, and now we'll go in with the eggs. You want to cook the eggs until they're nice and soft. You don't want them hard because we will add them back into the pot at the end of the recipe. So once they're nice and soft, we'll remove them and set aside. I will leave all the correct measurements and the ingredients that I use down in my description box for those that are interested. To the same wok, we'll add a pinch of oil, then we'll go in with that shrimp. We'll cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Halfway through the process, you want to flip them and allow them to cook evenly on both sides. Once it's thoroughly cooked, we'll remove it and carry on with the next step. The same wok, I did add some oil, and now I'll add a pinch of sesame oil. You don't want to add too much sesame oil because it's very strong and overpowering. Next, you want to add the aromatics, the onions, garlic, and ginger. We'll give it a good mix and allow it to go for about 3 minutes. Next, you want to go in with the mixed vegetables as well as the Chinese 5-spice fried rice seasoning and black pepper. We'll give it a good mix and allow it to go for about 2 minutes. So at this point, you want to add your cooked rice, give it a good stir, and make sure that it's nicely combined with those vegetables. We'll give it about a minute or so to fry before we add the sauces. The sauces will give it the color, flavor, and taste, and it will be absolutely delicious. This is quick, easy, and trust me, it's better than any takeout. So once that rice is fried nicely, we'll go ahead and start adding our sweet soy sauce or light soy sauce, and we'll add that oyster sauce. The oyster sauce give it that nice flavor, that MSG taste. That's what the oyster sauce does. And the light soy gives it that saltiness because, as you know, that soy sauce is salty. And then the sweet soy adds a tad bit of sweetness in there. And that gives you the best fried rice you've ever tasted in your life. Trust me. A lot of people don't know, but a good fried rice has a little bit of sugar in it. You don't taste it in there, but it's there, and that's what makes it so good. So the sweet soy adds that sweetness to the fried rice, and that's what makes it so amazing. So the last and final step, you want to add your shrimp back in there, the eggs, and the green onions. We'll give it a real good mix, and that's it, guys. The best shrimp fried rice you will ever try. Trust me. Now I'll turn the heat off and get ready to plate up. And here you have it, the best shrimp fried rice. It is quick, easy, and simple, a great weeknight dinner idea. you and your entire family can enjoy. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and let me know what you guys think. I will be leaving all the ingredients in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and bye.